Hello people, today I have an amazing WordPress application for all the WordPress users out there which will solve most of your WordPress nightmares. But before diving in today's video, let me share some of the screenshots. Internet is full of WordPress hacking horror stories. If you have gone through last three screenshots that I have shown you on the screen, then you might probably figured out the reason why WordPress websites are getting hacked. Let me tell you that WordPress is one of the most secured platform and it powers around 35% of the websites all around the world. But it is due to the plugins, it might be free plugin or paid plugin that a hacker uses to get into your WordPress website. Basically, a WordPress website uses multiple plugins, and these plugins add security holes that hackers use to break into your WordPress website. This is the study published by Cloudflare, one of the popular CDN networks. As you can see on the screen, it says that the page that loads in 2.4 seconds has a conversion rate of 1.9%, and the page that loads in 3.3 seconds has a conversion rate of 1.5%, and the page that loads in 4.2 seconds has a conversion rate of less than 1%, and the page that takes more than 5.7 seconds has a conversion rate of less than 0.6%. And Google also says that 53% of people on mobile devices leave a page that takes longer than 3 seconds to load. And even Cloudflare study shows the conversion increases by about 250% by a page speed boost from 5.7 seconds to 3.3 seconds. It means that just speeding a page by 2.4 seconds with all other factors being the same, you will make 2.5 times more money. So as you can see that page speed is very important for the websites, and according to the top 4 SEO UX signals, page speed is one of the top signal, and Google dramatically lowers ranking of the slower pages. In the next 10 to 12 minutes, I will show you how WordPress websites become slow and how a hacker can dive into your WordPress website using a plugin, and how Speedler can solve all of these problems with just 2 clicks. And the bonus part, at the last of the video, at the end of the video, I will show you how you can earn money through Speedler. So watch this video till the end to get more benefit and to learn how you can earn money through the Speedler. So the major problem of a WordPress website is slow speed. Because WordPress websites are dynamic, there are numerous database calls for the web page to be rendered for the viewer. It generally means that it takes a lot of time to get information from the database, organize, and then render the page so it can be properly displayed. The second problem is security. Practically every WordPress website uses multiple plugins, as I said earlier. Those plugins add security holes which hackers can use to break in. So this is the main reason why WordPress websites are getting hacked and why internet is full of WordPress hacking stories. The third problem of many WordPress websites are performance under traffic spikes. Because WordPress sites and cloud affiliate page apps get the info to render pages from the database, there is a severe limitation to the amount of traffic which a WordPress site can handle. So this is the reason why most of the WordPress websites go down during traffic spikes. So these are the three major problems that a WordPress user faces. So what's the solution? The solution is simple: Speedler application. How Speedler will help you to solve all of these three problems. So Speedler uh, will speed up your website or cloud affiliate pages and secures the existing WordPress sites and affiliate pages. Speedler uses SPR static conversion technology to convert your WordPress dynamic pages to static pages. Let me tell you that Speedler is not a WordPress plugin, it is a cloud-based tool. Now let's see how it solves the security problems of WordPress. After SPR static conversion, there is no database or code, so there is nothing to hack or exploit. In this way, it solves the major security breaches of WordPress by simply converting a dynamic page to static page using SPR static page conversion technology. Now let's see how Speedler eliminates the performance under traffic spike problem. Since web pages are pre-rendered and cached at 194 locations in 90 countries, so during traffic spike, the database does not directly gets affected. In this way, they can handle massive traffic and DDoS attacks. What does DDoS attack means? DDoS attack means all the fake traffic that is coming to your website. Speedler also helps to eliminate all the fake traffic that is coming to your website and provides only good quality traffic that helps your website to rank higher in Google. So in this way, Speedler eliminates all the three major problems of a WordPress user or a WordPress website, that is slow speed, security problems, and performance under traffic spike. Now let's see how simple is to use Speedler. You just require 2 clicks to convert your dynamic web pages to static page. Step 1, copy and paste your website's link, and step 2, hit the submit button, and that's it. All your job is done. You will get a static page that is much more faster than your previous version, and you will get a separate mobile page that will load much more faster than the desktop version, and you will also get the converted clones of your sites or affiliate pages with content delivered from 194 locations in 90 countries. In this way, in just 2 clicks, Speedler will help you to eliminate all the major WordPress problems. The best part is Speedler is giving a 30-day money-back guarantee, which means that you can use Speedler for 30 days, and if it doesn't meet your expectation, then you will get a full refund with no questions asked. So there is nothing to lose. Grab your copy now. The link is in the description below. If you want to buy a genuine Speedler application, then buy from the link that is given in the description. There are many websites that sell fake software or fake applications. So I would suggest you to buy from the link that is given in this description. Now the bonus part. Let's see how you can make money from Speedler. Let me take you to the Fiverr website, which is one of the popular freelancing websites. Here you can see that people are charging for converting a dynamic page to static page. So you can make money the same way that these people are making. You can charge $100 to $200 for each page that you are converting and the catch is you just have to do 2 clicks and all your job is done. All your dynamic pages will be converted to static pages. So in this way, it is a great opportunity to earn money online also. So hope you like today's video, and if you like, please like and share.